Well, we aren't in the creek, but we're right next to it. He spotted something, and then I thought it was dry, but it's not. It's got really nasty, stagnant water in it. So I didn't really want to go down in there. So we're just walking here. Lots of smells. I don't know what he's smelling, but... Alright, so he dragged me down here. He found a way. Right there. Past the stagnant water. This water is moving. I don't know what he smells. Hope we don't find it. Or, you know, a snake or something. But this water's actually doesn't look that bad. You can hear birds. Probably a nest in these trees. We're not going to go far in the creek because I don't want to come across whatever it was he was after. I don't see any fishies. I think he likes it here. Oh, Bandit, I am not wearing boots. Oh. I hope we don't find a snake. Come on, Bandit. Those are cool. Oh, he came in contact with a stick. Okay.